In the box you get the oil filter cutter tool, nicely packaged and well protected. You also get an Allen key so you can adjust the tool to fit your specific filter size. The filter I wanted to cut open came from a Honda CR-V. It's a pretty small one, so I had to reposition the blocks to make it fit. After that, it's straightforward, bring the cutting disc in and start turning. It's basically like opening a tin can. Once the metal casing is open, you get direct access to the filter element inside. From there, I was able to inspect every fold of the filter paper to check for anything that shouldn't be there, like metal shavings. In my case, all I found were some copper spray particles from the head gasket job I did 2 weeks ago. Nothing to worry about, it's not metallic debris, just residue from the copper gasket spray, so the engine is in good shape. Bottom line, this tool works great, it's easy to use, it feels solid and well built, and it's a fantastic way to check on your engine's health without spending a fortune. So I highly recommend it. That's it for today guys, I hope this video helped you. Ciao!